by invisible threads of trade and transport, weaving together distant lands and cultures in ways that are easy to overlook but impossible to live without. And at the heart of this intricate global network lies the vast open ocean, a highway for commerce that stretches farther than the eye can see. Today, container ships are the silent giants powering our global economy. These massive vessels carry nearly everything we use daily, from electronics and clothing to food and furniture, often traveling thousands of miles to reach us. Without them, global trade would grind to a halt. Imagine a world where store shelves are empty, factories stand still, and the flow of goods simply stops. These vessels, loaded with thousands of containers, navigate ancient trade routes that have been transformed by digital technology, using satellites and advanced navigation systems to cross vast oceans safely and efficiently. Every day, thousands of ships move goods between continents, creating a truly interconnected world where a product's journey might begin in one country and end in another, thousands of miles away. The journey of a single container is a remarkable feat, spanning factories, trucks, trains, and weeks at sea. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the complex choreography of modern logistics. The standardized shipping container revolutionized international trade, making this vast system possible by allowing goods to move seamlessly between ships, trucks, and trains with incredible efficiency. But this progress comes at a cost. The shipping industry faces significant challenges, especially its heavy reliance on fossil fuels, which leads to pollution and contributes to climate change. The environmental impact is visible in the air and water, reminding us that the price of convenience can be high for our planet. As awareness of the climate crisis grows, the shipping industry must adapt and innovate to protect the very oceans it depends on for survival. The task ahead is monumental, demanding not just new technology, but a shared commitment to sustainability from everyone involved in global trade. The future of global trade depends on balancing progress with environmental responsibility, ensuring that the mighty container ship continues to connect our world, while also protecting it for generations to come. A new chapter in maritime history is unfolding with the Hamburg Express class from Hapag-Lloyd. These ships aren't just bigger, they embody a new philosophy for moving goods across oceans. The Wilhelmshaven Express, the first of its class, symbolizes a shift toward greener, more efficient shipping. Years of research and a commitment to environmental responsibility shape these vessels. Hapag-Lloyd reimagined ship design to cut fuel use and emissions, resulting in 12 state-of-the-art ships. These vessels set a new industry benchmark, designed for both today's demands and tomorrow's challenges. They're not just regulatory responses, they're proactive steps toward a sustainable future. The Hamburg Express class is a declaration. The future of shipping must be green, powered by innovation. As these ships sail the world's trade routes, they carry a message of hope and progress for our oceans. To truly appreciate the Hamburg Express class, you have to grasp their immense scale. These ships are among the largest moving objects ever built by humans. Their presence on the water is awe-inspiring, dwarfing everything around them, from tugboats to port cranes. These ultra-large container vessels stretch nearly 400 meters, longer than 4 football fields placed end to end. Imagine standing at one end and barely being able to see the other. That's the kind of scale we're talking about. Their width, at 61 meters, is wider than a 6-lane highway, allowing them to carry over 23,600 TEU. Those are standard 20-foot containers, each one capable of holding thousands of products. That's enough containers to stretch a train for more than 145 kilometers. Imagine a line of containers reaching from one city to another, all loaded onto a single ship. This massive capacity means fewer voyages are needed to move the same amount of goods, which in turn reduces overall fuel use and emissions per container. Fewer ships on the water also means less congestion in busy shipping lanes. Ultra-large ships are essential for sustainable global trade, meeting the world's growing demand for goods while minimizing environmental impact. Their efficiency is a key part of making shipping greener. Only the world's largest and most advanced ports can handle these giants, requiring specialized cranes, deep berths, and precise coordination between hundreds of workers and machines. The arrival of a Hamburg Express-class ship is a major logistical event, involving careful planning and teamwork. It's a showcase of the complexity and precision that modern trade demands. These ships are more than just big, they're critical tools for a greener, more efficient shipping network, helping to connect continents while reducing the industry's carbon footprint. Their sheer scale is a testament to the incredible systems and innovations that keep our world connected, ensuring that goods can move swiftly and sustainably across the globe. At the heart of each Hamburg Express-class ship is a revolutionary dual-fuel engine. These engines can run on traditional marine fuels, but primarily use liquefied natural gas, LNG, a much cleaner alternative. Burning LNG slashes sulfur oxide emissions by over 90%, nitrogen oxides by 85%, and carbon dioxide by up to 25%. This technology sets a new standard for environmental performance in shipping. The high-pressure dual-fuel system, built by MAN Energy Solutions, maximizes efficiency and minimizes waste. Greater efficiency means lower emissions and significant cost savings over the vessel's lifespan. Investing in LNG required new infrastructure and procedures, but it's a bold step toward decarbonizing shipping. Hapag-Lloyd's commitment to LNG shows a long-term vision for cleaner maritime transport. The engine is more than machinery, it's a promise of a better way forward. The Hamburg Express class is packed with innovations for energy savings and performance. The hull's shape, optimized by advanced modeling, minimizes drag for smoother, more efficient travel. A wind scoop at the bow channels airflow over the containers, reducing wind resistance and saving fuel. High-efficiency propellers at the stern maximize thrust while minimizing energy use. Special underwater paint reduces biofouling, keeping the hull smooth and efficient. These ships can connect to onshore power in port, eliminating emissions while docked. Every feature, from hull to propeller, works together to cut fuel use and emissions. The result is a symphony of efficiency, a model for sustainable ship design. The Hamburg Express class proves that smart engineering can drive real environmental progress. These innovations set a new standard for the industry. Building the Hamburg Express class began with a major order to South Korea's Hanwha Ocean Shipyard in 2020. Hapag-Lloyd doubled its order to 12 LNG-powered ships, investing over $2 billion in a new flagship fleet. Construction is a feat of logistics and engineering, with thousands of workers assembling massive sections and advanced systems. Each ship is named for a major global city, reflecting Hapag-Lloyd's heritage and reach. The lead ship, Hamburg Express, pays tribute to the company's home port. These 12 sister ships, built to exacting standards, now sail under the German flag as symbols of quality and vision. The Hamburg Express class was built for the vital Asia-Europe trade route, a lifeline for the global economy. Deployed on Hapag-Lloyd's FE3 service, these ships connect major ports from China to Europe, including Hamburg and Wilhelmshaven. Their size and efficiency maximize cargo while minimizing environmental impact per container. The upcoming Gemini cooperation with Maersk will further boost efficiency and reliability on these routes. These ships are more than logistics. They're a symbol of enduring trade and sustainable progress between continents. The Hamburg Express class is a powerful example of how environmental responsibility and economic success can truly go hand in hand. In today's world, shipping companies face increasing pressure to reduce their environmental impact while still remaining profitable and competitive. The Hamburg Express class rises to this challenge, showing that it's possible to protect the planet and grow a business at the same time. By investing in the cleanest technology available, Hapag-Lloyd not only leads the industry but also future-proofs its entire fleet. This forward-thinking approach ensures that the company is ready for stricter regulations and changing customer expectations, while also setting a positive example for others to follow. The dual-fuel engine, optimized hull and a host of other technical innovations make these ships 25% more efficient than their predecessors. This means they use less fuel, emit fewer greenhouse gases, and operate more smoothly on the world's oceans. Lower fuel consumption translates into huge cost savings over time, which helps offset the higher upfront construction costs of these advanced vessels. Over the lifespan of a ship, these savings can be substantial, making the investment worthwhile for both the company and the environment. Sustainability is now a key factor for customers when choosing shipping partners. More and more businesses want to work with companies that share their values and are committed to reducing their carbon footprint. Offering greener shipping options not only attracts environmentally conscious clients, but also creates a strong competitive edge in a rapidly changing market. Companies that prioritize sustainability are more likely to win new contracts and build lasting relationships. The Hamburg Express class sets a new standard for the industry, challenging other shipping companies to innovate and follow suit. It's a bold step forward that inspires progress across the sector. As more companies adopt cleaner technologies, the entire shipping industry moves steadily toward a more sustainable future. Each new green ship helps accelerate this transformation, creating a ripple effect of positive change. These ships are true catalysts for change, driving a global shift toward responsible and sustainable trade. Their influence extends far beyond their own decks, shaping the future of international commerce. The impact of the Hamburg Express class is felt not just in the water, but across the entire shipping sector and the communities it serves, paving the way for a cleaner, greener world. The Hamburg Express class marks the start of Hapag-Lloyd's journey to a net-zero fleet. Lessons from these ships will shape even more efficient, sustainable vessels in the future. Hapag-Lloyd aims for net-zero carbon emissions by 2045, exploring next-generation fuels like green methanol and hydrogen. The company's flexible, multi-fuel strategy recognizes that decarbonizing shipping will require many solutions. Protecting the oceans is essential, and the industry must minimize its impact as a guest on these waters. The Hamburg Express class shows what's possible when vision meets determination. These ships prove we can support global trade while reducing our environmental footprint. With pioneers like these, the journey to a cleaner, brighter future is underway.